Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Before we even get started, I need one favor from you guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new videos centered around making money, affiliate marketing, paid surveys, paid apps, free gift cards, whatever. If you're interested in that type of stuff, making money online, working from home, hit that subscribe button. That way you're updated with all the latest content on this channel. So in this video, we're going to be going over 3 simple ways, very little upfront investment in terms of time, that you could do to make some extra money on the side. Whether you're using that money to pay your rent, pay down some debt, or you're just looking to go on a nice fancy vacation at the end of the year, these apps can make you a bit of extra money on the side. Now, none of these apps are going to make you rich. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They are just honest ways to make a little bit of extra money every day and put that money aside, and you can get yourself something nice after a few months of doing so. So let's get into it, starting off with app trailers. App Trailers is on iOS and on Android, so none of you Android people, don't feel left out. It's on both platforms, iOS and Android, and what it does is you get the app, you make an account, and you will get points to basically do a daily quiz, to watch videos, to test out other apps, to play general trivia questions. It's a very broad spectrum of things. I like that. That way you don't get bored, right? A lot of these, apps, you're doing the same thing over and over again. You get a little bit bored of it. But this, you can do a lot of different things. There's surveys, there's videos, there's quizzes, there's trivia, there's so many different things on this app, again, on iOS and on Android, and there's a lot to do there. And so that way you don't get bored, and you get these points, and you can redeem them for gift cards. Sometimes they have, the prepaid, credit card gift cards or the debit card gift cards that you could use anywhere. Sometimes they have things to specific stores. They have a lot of different things on the app. Again, you're not going to get rich off it, but you could definitely make some side money doing this if you cash it out into the general gift cards. Use that on gas, use that, put it aside, pay some rent with it. Who knows what you're going to use it for, but there's a lot you could do with this app, and it has good reviews. You can see right here, 7.7 thousand ratings, and it has a 4.3 out of 5 stars. Not too shabby in terms of reviews. I'm not sure what the reviews are on Android. I'll have to check that out later maybe. If you know what the reviews are on Android, comment down below. Hopefully they're about the same, but yeah, App Trailers, great app to make some extra money. Alright, so next up is Drop. Drop is a cash back loyalty app. It's on iOS, it's on Android. And what you do is you make an account with them, you put in your details so it can know what you're spending money on, and when you shop at one of the brands that they have a deal with, you get rewarded. You will get rewarded for spending money on this through this app, but it's automatic. You don't have to actually go through the app. I've done a lot of cashback apps, and this is a decent one. There's other really great ones out there too. I will do a video on my top 10 cashback apps in the future, so once again, be sure to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That way you get updated on that video. But cashback apps are fairly simple. Usually you log into the app, you put in your card, and when you spend money on a specific product or a specific business, the app will reward you for that, whether it's in points, in gift cards, in cash, right? And Drop will basically do that for you. Again, on iOS and on Android. I know I wasn't going to include this because it is something you have to spend money with, because, that's how you get rewarded. But you have to remember, you're spending money anyways, right? Every month you're spending some money, no matter what. Even if you're really, really frugal, right? You're going to be spending some portion of money on food, on household essentials, right? And if you can make, 5% back on that, wouldn't that be good over the course of months? You could actually save a good amount of money, especially for bigger families. I mean, smaller families too as well, but it definitely is a decent app to try out. Drop app on iOS and on Android. Alright guys, so last up on the list is Inbox Dollars, and as you can see, I have $22.43 in my Inbox Dollars account. I actually use this service. You see a lot of YouTubers out there, and they're putting a lot of, these type of videos out, and they don't actually test out the services first. I actually take my time, test out each product, make sure it's decent, and then put out the video. This is the service I've been using for about a year now. It hasn't taken me a year to get $22. I've cashed out twice before at about $30 is the cash out, I believe, is the minimum. So I've made a decent amount of money doing this. It's not something, again, I do every day. I do it once in a while. I have a full-time job and I have multiple online businesses, so I don't have time to be doing this every day. But when I do get a chance to, I do make sure I go and do a couple surveys on here. So yeah, you do surveys on here. There's games, there's scratch-offs, shopping, watch videos. It's very similar to app trailers, but again, you want to use as many of these products as you want, because sometimes, you know, it'll be a slowdown on one product, meaning one product you're not getting a lot of surveys on. You switch over, right? You start doing the surveys on inbox dollars. Inbox dollars get slow, you switch back over to app trailers, right? That's kind of what you could do with these services. That's how you kind of keep yourself busy with them. I do it once in a while. Like I said, I have multiple online businesses. I have a full-time job. I don't have time to do this every day, but it is something I like to do a couple times a week, make a couple bucks, and you know, it's a great way to make a little bit of extra money. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. 3 apps that you could use to make some extra side money in your spare time. Again, none of them get rich quick, none of them are things that are going to make you a millionaire overnight, but they can help you pay some bills, pay down some debt, you know, save up for a vacation, whatever you want the money for, you could use it for, and that is really this video. So if you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you next time, and have a great day.